Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a tour on the construction of the Highway 2000. This is the leg from Maypen to Mandeville, and a lot of road work is going on this section. This is close to where the highway will end in Mandeville or at the Williams Field roundabout. So we are very close to the Melrose Hill bypass road. So this is where the highway, this is close to the end of the highway. Or this is closer to the Mandeville end of the highway. So Highway 2000 is a project to build a highway from Kingston to Montego Bay. But because of the cost, it's being built in sections. So this is a section from Maypen to Mandeville. So the highway will run from the Rio Mino Bridge or the Maypen roundabout all the way to the Williams Field roundabout in Manchester. It's going to be a dual carriage lane, 4 lanes, dual carriage lane. And it's similar to the highway from Kingston to Maypen now. So the existing highway, the section that's open that ends in Maypen, will connect to this section at the Rio Mino Bridge. And that's a new bridge being built just for the highway. And then it will run all the way to Manchester. So the Maypen to Mandeville highway is going to cost 188 million US dollars. It's scheduled to be completed in March 2023, and the new segment of the highway begins at the western end of the existing Maypen roundabout, continues in a westerly direction across the Rio Mino, and then the route continues in a westerly direction passing south of the Bustamante Highway. It then passes south of Four Paths Community, passes south of Osborne Store, Tollgate, and Clarendon Park. Then heads into St. Tools and continues through hilly terrain. It then comes out to the existing Melrose Hill bypass, which will be incorporated into the new alignment. The Melrose Hill bypass will be upgraded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes, and it will be a 4-lane dual carriageway. The road crosses the train line and terminates just east of the steel bridge in the vicinity of the Williams Field roundabout. So this is where we are now, where the road comes back out to the Melrose Hill bypass. That's the section we are currently driving on. The highway will have 2 toll plazas and 1 administrative building. This section from Maypen to Mandeville. Maypen to Kingston has 2 toll plazas already. So from Kingston to Mandeville is going to be 4 toll plazas. Okay, the work will include the provision of street lights for the ramps, interchanges, a toll plaza area, safety fences, concrete median barriers, fiber optic facilities, an emergency telephone system, and closed circuit television system. A new interchange will be built at Clarendon Park with a link road from the highway to the main road at a traffic signal controlled intersection. Now this is phase 1C of Highway 2000, which is being executed under the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. So basically the funding for this project is going through the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Not too sure how that part works because this is a toll road, so a concession should have been given for persons to build this road and collect toll to recoup the cost of building the road. Maybe it's a joint venture, maybe the government is putting in a part and China Exim Bank is putting in another part because it's a toll road and there's a concession to collect toll on this road. So the government is probably putting in their part through the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. But that project also includes building a highway from St. Thomas, from Harborview to Port Antonio. Okay, the Maypen to Mandeville leg is 90% complete, and the National Road Operating and Constructing Company, NROC, oversees this project. And the only time NROC gets involved in a project is when it's a concession agreement structure, because they are the ones who represent the government in the issuing of these concessions, and the concessions are used to collect toll. Now the rest of this highway, the Kingston to Maypen leg, was built with the same thing. It's a toll road, so a concession was given for persons to collect toll to recoup the cost of building a highway. Same thing was done for the north-south leg of Highway 2000. That's the highway from Kingston to Ocho Rios. A 50-year concession was given, and that's how NROC comes into play when you have these concession agreements. Alright, well, that's an update, and I said this project is 90% complete, although they haven't really put in the dual carriageway on this side of the road yet. But we'll see. Now, that's probably true, because now that you think about it, the Rio Mino Bridge is complete. It's not open yet. It's in the process of being paved. The road has been dumped up to level the bridge with the roundabout. And the section of the highway in Maypen, you can actually drive on now. The dual carriageway is paved. So maybe this is just the last leg of the highway, but let's wait and see. March 2023 is just around the corner. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.